Let me tell you about 3 things that have happened to not just you, if you're old enough, but to your family, your friends, your clients, your past clients. Early 2000, 2001, dot-com crash. World's falling apart. 2008, September 2008, economy collapses. 2020, March 2020, COVID hits. Those 3 things caused everybody to panic. Business owners ran for the hills. The sky is falling. We're coming to the end. It's over. Not my clients, not me. What I did is I said, okay, it's going to happen regardless. But I'm going to go and I'm going to press into this, and that's where referral systems really, really shine. I can't afford to sit back. I can make cold calls. Everybody's going to be making cold calls because everybody's losing business. Everybody's going to sit back and wait and pray and light a candle and hope that the referral will drop out of the sky. But what I did, and what I've taught thousands of people, is how to purposely take that opportunity and go after on-purpose referrals. There's 3 systems. 3 systems I teach in every single challenge I do. I break down the science of it. I break down the step-by-step of it. I give people the homework, a workbook that goes along with it, and they take action on it, and they implement the systems, and they have them done. Then I hold them accountable. So in a 1-week period of time, not only do they get their systems set up, but they get referrals. And so if you want predictable revenue, if you want revenue, now the nice thing about a referral is you can close it at a higher level and you can charge more, and there's more margin and profits into it. And I teach people how to do this, and I want to teach you that as well. I will see you on the next challenge.